Hello guys, welcome back to Zik, the programming guide channel. My name is Beatrice, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to install Android 16. So recently they released Android 16 and One UI 8, which is actually fun because we're going to have access to new features and a very smoother personalized experience right on your Android phone. So first thing first, have it in mind that your battery should be charged, right? Or you can even put it charging, like you can charge it while trying to update your phone. So first step you have to do is click on phone settings, and you can see it's broadly written on my software update is available. But if yours is not even showing, what you need to do is scroll down to, and you're going to see software update. Click on that and click on download and install. Once you click on that, you can now see update, but my app style, that's why you can see resume download. So before then, let's look at what it actually entails. So you can see get a fresh look for your Galaxy. One UI 8 and Android 16 introduces sleek, intrusive design with vibrant color, refined widget, and optimized layout. Discover new ways to connect, create, and protect your data while enjoying a smoother, more personalized experience, right? So once after reading that and you're cool with that, you can now click on update and resume download. If this guide was helpful, give this a thumbs up and equally subscribe to get more helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching guys. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.